Hi, my name is Chandan and I have been working as a digital marketer for more than 15 years now. And through these years, I had the opportunity of working with several different brands, helping them create integrated digital marketing strategies, including search engine optimization, conversion rate optimization, pay-per-click marketing activities, growth hacking, and content marketing strategies, resulting in more engaged audiences and increased brand visibility. And then a few years ago, I had this opportunity to conduct a few workshops for some digital marketing students, thanks to EduPristine. And it was then that I discovered that I was truly enjoying taking those sessions, and I discovered that I had a huge passion for training. And so much so that I decided to make a switch to digital marketing training full-time a couple of years later. I'm currently working as a freelance digital marketing consultant and a corporate trainer for a bunch of different brands. Some of the brands that I'm currently associated with include Google, Facebook, Sony, Infosys, GE Healthcare, and so on. Thanks to the fact that internet is becoming more and more accessible to people, even in the most remote corners of the world, there's an ever-increasing number of people who are going online these days. And that has resulted in a huge shift in the way people buy online. The internet has ushered in a whole new market, and digital marketing has become the norm for successful businesses today. And if you are not doing this, you are setting yourself up for failure in the longer run. And more recently, businesses all around the world are trying to adapt to the new normal. And even those businesses that thought digital marketing wasn't really meant for them are trying to get online as quickly as possible. Most businesses have realized that digital marketing is the key to bringing in new opportunities and growth. It brings exposure and gets their brand in front of people who were previously unaware of them. After all, the goal of any business is to get in front of as many people as possible and increase their revenue opportunities. And because of this, there is an ever-increasing demand for skilled and professional digital marketers. Let's take a look at some stats. The Bureau of Labor Statistics predicts an 8% growth in advertising, promotions, and marketing manager positions between now and 2025. There are currently close to 140,000 individual job listings on Naukri.com for the keyword search digital marketing. And between now and 2023, chief marketing officers or CMOs are expected to spend more than $150 billion on marketing activities. With so much money on the line, there is no surprise that digital marketers are in such a huge demand today. There is absolutely no doubt that digital marketing happens to be one of the most sought after skills in the world today, and what makes it even more exciting is the fact that it is continuously evolving with a bunch of new platforms that keep on being introduced. And as a digital marketer, you're always on the lookout for new trends and strategies that you can implement to get in front of more people, engage them, and help them find solutions to their problems, and in the process, promote your own products and services. And that brings me to EduPristine. As one of the pioneers and one of the oldest digital marketing training institutes in India, EduPristine offers students with a highly engaging and result-centric platform where students can learn in both live as well as online virtual classroom environments. And these classes are backed with real-world projects and case studies that go a long way in getting the students ready for the real world out there. I look forward to seeing you guys at EduPristine.